Is reporting a new attack this morning. The Kremlin says Ukrainian forces hit Russia's Kursk region with dozens of drones, killing one person and injuring 9 others.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Des Moines, Boone, Adams, Louisa. This storm could create a strong supercell, which will lead to tornadoes at least EF2. Citizens have claimed to see golf ball-sized hail. Roofs and vehicles may be damaged. This storm is rapidly getting stronger. Weak tornadoes are starting to form throughout Iowa. If you find a tornado and it doesn't seem to be moving, seek shelter immediately. This means that the tornado is moving directly toward you. If a strong enough tornado forms, all EAS alerts in every county of Iowa will sound. If a tornado moves toward you, hide in a basement or bathtub. No exceptions. Preserve food and meals. Don't do more than necessary to keep everyone safe. Stay safe, Iowa.
This attack follows a Russian missile and bomb attack on the Ukrainian city of Sumy. 35 people. ABC News foreign correspondent Tom Sufi Burridge joins us now.
This is not a test. The National Weather Service has discovered a tornado capable of destroying entire neighborhoods within 16 miles. Homes have been leveled completely, wiped cleanly off of their foundation. A bathtub cannot save you now. If you do not have a basement, evacuate to someone who does. Bring plenty of food and water. This is going to last for up to 12 more hours. This is 10 times stronger than an EF5. Evacuate now. Winds are estimated to be around 600 to 950 miles per hour. Evacuate.
Get out of wherever you are. Do not look back.
This tornado is not a tornado. It's too strong for anyone. Evacuate to the East Coast.
See you on the other side.
This was a recording of a family's last moments. We caught a dual tornado 12 miles from this house.
Evacuate now.